To get a Crypto.com DeFi wallet, start by downloading the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Create a Wallet. You will be asked to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap on Create a Wallet again. The app will guide you through the process of creating a new wallet, including setting up a password and backing up your recovery phrase. It is essential to store your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. The recovery phrase is a series of words that will be displayed on the screen, and you should write them down and keep them in a secure place. After setting up your wallet, you will be prompted to set up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication and a password. These measures will help protect your wallet and prevent unauthorized access. Once your wallet is set up, you can start using it to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. The Crypto.com DeFi wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. To fund your wallet, you can purchase cryptocurrencies directly from the app or transfer them from an external source. The app will guide you through the process of purchasing or transferring cryptocurrencies, and you can start using your wallet immediately after the funds are received. It is essential to remember that the Crypto.com DeFi wallet is a decentralized wallet, which means that you have full control over your funds and are responsible for their security. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely and securely use your Crypto.com DeFi wallet to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, getting a Crypto.com DeFi wallet is a straightforward process that requires downloading the app, creating a wallet, setting up security measures, and funding your wallet. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can start using your wallet to participate in the world of decentralized finance and take control of your cryptocurrency holdings.